It's the good night. He's singing to us.
The good night is telling us how to open the drawbridge. We have to sing to make the drawbridge open. Annie, you're great at making up songs. Can you sing something to open the drawbridge?
Sure I can. But I'm going to need your help. When I say open, I need you to stretch your fingers really wide, like this. Great! Drawbridge, please open. Yes, drawbridge, please open. Yes, drawbridge, please open so we can come in.
Humber, where's the grub? You just can't help yourself, can you?
Sorry.
Okay, but this time show a little self-control.
It's working! Keep opening your fingers when I say open. Drawbridge, please open. Yes, drawbridge, please open. Yes, drawbridge, please open so we can come in.
Hooray!
Terrific singing, Annie.
We knew you could do it.